haven't been to Burger King in so long. Like, I think it's honestly been like years since the last time that I had anything from Burger King. But this looked too crazy not to try. I also ordered fries because, let's be real, Burger King fries, without getting too controversial, in my opinion, I believe Burger King fries beat most, if not, controversial, I know, they beat most other fast food French fry options. We'll leave it at that for now. It's a conversation for a later date. I'm looking at a crispy, premium white meat chicken fillet seasoned with traditional Nashville hot flavors, topped with crinkle cut pickles, mayo, all on a beautiful, buttery, soft potato bun. Oh my. Oh. Mmm. Little bit of spice, nothing insane. Definitely spice there though. I'm sweating a little bit. I do have a very, very sensitive situation when it comes to spice though, so definitely take that into consideration. The Canadian fast food crispy fried chicken sandwich game is seriously lacking compared to places like America or even like most places in Europe that I've been. Canada is seriously lacking when it comes to fast food fried chicken sandwich options. So I always get super excited when there's a new option. And this is my first time trying like a Nashville hot chicken sandwich style. So I don't really know how it stacks up compared to like other Nashville hot chicken sandwiches. But in like the general scope of crispy fast food fried chicken sandwiches, this bangs.